Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever. And in 2025, we're seeing mind-blowing tools that feel like pure magic. From AI that can create art and music to tools that automate entire businesses. These innovations are shaping the future. Stick around as we count down the top 10 AI tools that will blow your mind in 2025. Number 10, ChatGPT 5. AI-powered conversations are about to get even crazier with ChatGPT 5. This next-gen AI model will be more human-like, intuitive, and capable of complex reasoning. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only answers questions, but also thinks, plans, and even negotiates on your behalf. Number 9, Sora by OpenAI. Sora is OpenAI's revolutionary AI video generator, capable of creating realistic, high-quality videos from simple text prompts. In 2025, AI-generated content will be everywhere, from YouTube videos to Hollywood-level productions. Number 8, 11 Labs 3.0. Want to clone your voice or generate ultra-realistic AI speech? 11 Labs 3.0 is pushing AI-generated voices to a new level, making it almost impossible to distinguish from real humans. Perfect for content creators, businesses, and even movie dubbing. Number 7, Midjourney V6. AI-generated art just got even better. Midjourney V6 creates hyper-realistic images, illustrations, and even detailed 3D renders. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just love cool AI-generated visuals, this tool will blow your mind. Number 6, Rewind AI. Imagine having a perfect memory. Rewind AI records everything on your computer, letting you instantly search through past conversations, meetings, and research. It's like having a photographic memory for your digital life. Number 5, Synthesia 2025. AI avatars are the future. Synthesia allows anyone to create lifelike AI avatars that speak in multiple languages. Businesses are using it for training videos, customer service, and even AI-generated influencers. Number 4, Claude AI 3 by Anthropic. Claude AI is OpenAI's biggest competitor, and Claude 3 is expected to rival ChatGPT with better memory, faster reasoning, and a safer, more ethical approach to AI decision-making. Number 3, Runway Gen 3. Video editing will never be the same. Runway Gen 3 is an AI video generator that can create cinematic scenes, special effects, and animations just from text prompts. Imagine producing a Hollywood-style movie with just AI tools. Number 2, Google Gemini 2. Google is stepping up its AI game with Gemini 2, a multimodal AI that understands text, images, and even real-time video. It will change the way we interact with search engines, assistants, and even smart devices. Number 1, AutoGPT, self-running AI. The future of automation is here. AutoGPT is an AI that can think, plan, and execute tasks without human input. In 2025, businesses and entrepreneurs will be using this AI to automate everything, from research to marketing to coding entire applications. These AI tools are just the beginning. By 2030, AI will be completely transforming the way we live and work. Which AI tool are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the AI Vault for more futuristic tech updates.